So we're in a Angel Caribbean Cafe again, and this time we're doing what we're doing, chef.
We're doing some garlic shrimp.
We're doing garlic shrimp. Hey, look, have you ready now, Virgin? Make me videotape is something like foreigner. Sure. In here we did dreams it turn up like a romance in the stone. Yeah. And we're gonna put this on. This is the garlic I'm gonna make ready. And we're gonna put garlic shrimp in butter sauce. Alright, so we're putting the butter in the stove.
Not in the stove.
Oh, in the pot, don't forget. And folks, we're just making this butter have to stay so low that it don't break. You don't want it to turn oily, you just want it to turn creamy, right?
That's correct.
This is a know little something about the cooking though.
So in the kitchen.
You see? You want like me no sense. Me have sense.
The garlic.
And we saute the garlic, and this now we don't want the garlic burn none at all. We just want it flavor up the thing.
So we have to do this on a low fire.
Yeah. Once again, we're keeping the butter to a place where it's just creamy. See, me all turn chef in I think too. Yeah. And trust me, folks, the flavors are so astronomical, supernatural. Yeah. Mayo, for sure the whole night I carry the
remember while shrimp now, while we are carbonate the garlic, we're doing the shrimp for the shrimp catch the flavor of the garlic. We call it carbonate, okay? Yes. So seafood, so we need vinegar.
A little vinegar.
And lemon juice. So this is the vinegar, we put a little vinegar in it.
Alright, we'll add vinegar now, folks. Yeah, and that is just to cut the overwhelming seafood, you know.
Put the lemon juice.
And we'll put a little lemon juice. And this is previously cooked shrimp, folks, because yeah, you don't really want to pressure yourself with shell shrimp and anything.
Yeah.
And then what else you have to add now, sir?
Well, for now we just give this like 2 minutes.
And then you do some decoration.
Yes. Which is when you what Jamaican call thyme, but American call it green onions.
Okay. So now we're using a little bit more garlic powder. This is what? Granulated garlic.
Yeah.
And as it is now, folks, as you can see, the sauce not really break, it not turn oil or nothing, it's still nice.
Really complete.
We're using a little complete seasoning.
That's it.
And while I'm here, I have made the designated pot shaker to make sure the pot shake a little bit. Yeah, and the original pot shaker.
So I'm going to not keep a little water.
And the idea is, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, the butter mustn't break.
Correct.
So we're going to tip a little water now, and that will make it a sauce. We are serving this with white rice. Could I do some color rice? You know. Tastes good? Alright, see the food I served now, folks. Oh, Jesus. The shrimp. I will put shrimp in there. I'll make your gravy and thing nice now. Real original garlic shrimp, yeah. And again, a chef, Henry from Angel.
Caribbean Cafe, 100%.
Go and go serve people in food now, my Go on, smash it.